Now we're going to create another dictionary. This time it's called entity, and we'll put a key of ID and a value of entity ID. Form type that we just created earlier, we'll put that as the value as well. And now here's where it gets interesting again, because this is something we haven't gone over yet. Our third key value pair here in this entity dictionary is mathematical properties, form data, which remember we just created that as well, and then dot copy. So this is actually a critical line that prevents a major programming problem. The dot copy method creates an independent duplicate of our dictionary data. This is absolutely essential for preventing unwanted data sharing between objects. Without dot copy, all our entities would share the same mathematical properties dictionary in memory. If we modified one entity's properties, it would accidentally change all the entity's properties because they'd all be pointing to the same data. Common source of bugs in programming. The copy method solves this by creating an independent duplicate. Each entity gets its own separate copy of the mathematical properties, so modifying one entity never affects the other. So it's like photocopying a scientific template. With copy, each entity gets its own independent copy that can be modified separately, and it's critical for our 4D simulator program here, because each entity might evolve differently. Their positions change, their properties might be modified by interactions, and they need to maintain their independence. The copy method ensures data isolation and object independence. Each entity becomes a truly separate instance with its own mathematical properties.